Have you ever felt that climbing stairs is more challenging than it used to be? Or maybe getting up from a chair feels like a workout? If so, you're not alone. Many seniors experience weaker legs as they age, and this can be a sign that your independence and mobility may be at risk. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to stay this way. In this video, we will explore why leg strength declines as we age and share powerful steps you can take to reverse this trend. By the end, you will learn about 3 simple and affordable foods that can help strengthen your legs, improve your balance, and boost your overall health. Whether your goal is to stay active, prevent falls, or simply feel more confident in your daily movements, this video is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end, because the final tip could change how you view your health and longevity. Are you ready to take the first step towards stronger legs and a healthier future? Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive in, please like this video if you find it helpful. Your support helps me share important information with others. If you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do so and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you enjoy this video, please comment 1. If not, let me know by commenting 0 so I can improve. Let's start by understanding why our legs weaken as we age. Have you noticed that climbing stairs or standing up feels more difficult now? This isn't just in your head. There's a scientific reason behind it. As we age, our bodies go through a process called sarcopenia, which means a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. This process typically begins around age 40, with about 1% of muscle mass lost each year. By the time we reach our 60s, this rate often doubles. While muscle loss affects our entire body, it is most noticeable in our legs. Why? The muscles in our legs are the largest and most active in our body. Every time we stand up, walk, or climb stairs, these muscles are working hard. Think of them as the foundation of a house, constantly supporting us through daily activities. Because these muscles are used so frequently, any decline in strength becomes apparent sooner than in other areas of the body. At first, you might not notice much change. Perhaps your legs feel a bit heavier when walking uphill, or you find yourself needing extra support when standing. However, over time, these small changes can lead to significant challenges. It's important to recognize that weakened leg muscles can lead to serious consequences. Studies show that weak legs increase the risk of falls among older adults. A single fall can result in long recovery times or even permanent disability. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related deaths for those over 65 years old, a sobering reality we must face. The great news is that you are not powerless against sarcopenia. With the right strategies, you can slow down or even reverse the weakening of your legs at any age. Let me share an inspiring story. Margaret is a 72-year-old woman who struggled with weak legs for years. She avoided walking in the park because her knees would tremble, and climbing stairs felt impossible. However, everything changed when Margaret focused on improving her diet and added simple exercises to her routine. Within just a few months, she was walking a mile every day and even returned to ballroom dancing, something she once thought was out of reach. Her legs grew stronger, her confidence soared, and she began living life fully again. Now, think about your own legs. Are they as strong as they used to be? Do you feel stable when moving around? If you've noticed any signs of weakness, like fatigue or difficulty standing, don't ignore them. The sooner you address these issues, the better off you'll be in the long run. Are you ready to take action? Fantastic. In this next section, I will share 3 powerful foods that can help keep your legs strong and flexible for many years to come. Trust me, you'll want to hear this because these foods might surprise you. Number 1, fatty fish, the muscle builder. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are incredibly beneficial for maintaining strong and agile legs as we age. These fish are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that support muscle function and mobility. The secret lies in their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, often called good fats. Omega-3s play an essential role in reducing inflammation and lubricating muscles and joints. This helps ease soreness and stiffness that can come with aging. Moreover, fatty fish are rich in high-quality protein, a vital nutrient for muscle growth and repair. When you eat fish like salmon or tuna, you're giving your body amino acids that help rebuild muscle tissue. Imagine enjoying a delicious grilled salmon fillet seasoned with herbs and a splash of lemon juice. In one serving, you're treating yourself to over 20 grams of protein, along with omega-3s and important vitamins like vitamin D, all crucial for maintaining strong bones and muscles. How to include fatty fish in your diet? Grill or bake salmon or mackerel for dinner. Make a fresh tuna salad served on leafy greens. Snack on sardines with whole grain crackers. If cooking isn't your thing, try canned fish like tuna or salmon. They're just as nutritious. If you're not keen on eating fish at all, consider plant-based sources like flax seeds or walnuts for omega-3s. Number 2. Dairy products, the guardian of strength. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are essential for maintaining leg strength as we age. They provide two key nutrients, protein and calcium. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Every time you move, whether standing up from a chair or walking, tiny tears occur in your muscle fibers. This is normal. Your body repairs these tears using protein from your diet to make those muscles stronger than before. For example, poem. A glass of milk contains about 8 grams of protein. 2. Greek yogurt offers around 20 grams per serving. As we age, our bodies naturally lose some ability to build muscle mass due to sarcopenia, the gradual decline in muscle strength over time, which makes it even more important to ensure adequate protein intake. Calcium is another essential nutrient found abundantly in dairy products. It supports bone health by helping maintain bone density. Without enough calcium, bones may become weak and brittle over time. Imagine starting your day with a tall glass of milk alongside oatmeal topped with yogurt and fresh fruit. Not only does this meal taste great, but it also provides essential nutrients needed for strong muscles and bones. Simple tips for including dairy. 1. Start your day with a glass of milk. Enjoy Greek yogurt topped with fruit for breakfast. Add cheese to salads or sandwiches. Pair cheese with whole grain crackers for a snack. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, many plant-based milks are fortified with calcium. Number 3. Leafy green vegetables, the savior of legs. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula are often overlooked, but are vital for supporting leg health as we age. These vibrant vegetables are packed with essential nutrients that play key roles in keeping your legs functioning at their best every day. Among their many benefits, leafy greens are particularly rich in vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium, each serving specific purposes for leg health. Vitamin K is crucial for bone strength. It helps your body absorb calcium effectively, an essential nutrient for building strong bones. Without adequate vitamin K intake from foods like kale or collard greens, calcium may not work efficiently within the body, leading to weaker bones over time. Magnesium plays an important role in muscle function by preventing cramps and spasms. This mineral helps muscles relax after contraction. It's especially beneficial after physical activity when muscles need recovery support. Potassium, another important nutrient found in leafy greens, helps regulate fluid balance within cells while supporting nerve function, aiding communication between nerves and muscles during movement. Imagine enjoying a colorful salad filled with fresh spinach topped with grilled chicken breast. This meal provides an array of nutrients necessary for optimal leg health while being deliciously satisfying. How to incorporate leafy greens into your diet. Add spinach to smoothies or salads. Sauté kale as a side dish, use arugula on sandwiches or wraps. By incorporating leafy greens into your meals regularly, you're ensuring that you're giving your body what it needs for strong legs. As we age, it's natural for our bodies to change, but understanding these changes empowers us to take action. By incorporating fatty fish, dairy products, and leafy greens into your diet today, you'll be taking significant steps towards strengthening your legs while enhancing overall health. Remember Margaret's story? You too can regain strength and confidence by making simple dietary changes combined with light exercise. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful today, please comment 1 below. Together we can embrace healthier lives filled with strength and vitality. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another conversation like this one. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.